Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is lesson number 4 in our course, preparation course for planning engineers. We will go through the Primavera fundamentals for planning engineer, and let's see how to create a time schedule without any knowledge in Primavera in something like 10 minutes. After you install the Primavera, you will find a detailed video how to install Primavera in the same lesson. After you install Primavera, you just open it, you will see this window. Some sample projects are already pre-installed with Primavera. This is the sample projects, and we are going to add a new project. So before adding a new project, I will just delete everything. Right click and delete. Yes, no need for this one. Now I'm deleting all the sample projects, not to get confused, and I will create my own EPS. Okay, from enterprise I'll go to enterprise project structure. I will add new here. We call it preparation course for planning engineer. And this will be my first EPS, which is first level in my Primavera. So simply I will add a new project. Just click add. Here you select the EPS where you want to add it. Just keep it here and click finish. After you add a new project, let's name it test project. Then right click and open project. This is the activity list area, and this is the bar chart area. If you checked in our previous lesson, we explained what's the difference in the activity list area, and this is the bar chart area. If you don't know what is the difference between them, I recommend that you go and check what is the difference between two of them. So simply I can add here an activity by clicking this at bottom. I can use the activity ID and the activity name, and I click finish. So mainly here I have the activity ID, which is a unique number identifying each activity, and I have here the activity name, which is a description for the activity. I have here the original duration, which is the duration required to execute any activity. I have here the remaining duration. Actually, I can customize to check what to see here. So from column, I check customize. I don't need the remaining duration, so I'll just double click. I have schedule percentage complete. I don't need it. So whether to double click or just select this arrow, and I'll keep the activity name, activity duration, start, finish, and total float, and I'll click apply. As we see, we can add new activity very easy. And before adding more activities, we want to make the work breakdown structure. So if you remember that we had in lesson 3 created this activity list, so we want to make a simple time schedule using this activity list. So let's do a simple work breakdown structure, WBS. We can here add a level. Let's call it earth work This earthwork mainly will cover excavation. Then we have here waterproofing and column neck until plain concrete, reinforced concrete, column neck, waterproofing. This could be foundation. So I'll add another level. So if I want to make this level, under the same level test project. Let's call this level foundation. Okay, after foundation we have here, let's say, superstructure. Superstructure. Then we will add another one, finishes works. You may be asking yourself now how I figured out this WPS. I prefer to let you understand the WPS while we are working on it. So don't worry if you don't know what is the WPS, what is the use of the WPS for now. Just follow up with me and I will tell you how to understand exactly what is the WPS. Okay, we'll go to the activities by clicking this activity. We have here our WPS. Okay, let's say we want to add these activities from Excel. We want to add it to the Primavera. So to do so, I will export. I have to add one activity at least. Then I'll click File, Export, and I will choose Spreadsheet. Next, I only export the activities. Then I will select the project to export, and from the layout I will choose activity ID, activity status. I need the original duration as well. I will add the original duration, and okay, next I will choose from here where to save it. Put it in the desktop, lesson 4. Okay, next and finish. Now the export is completed. I'll minimize this one, and here is the result of our export. Double click and I can show everything in this one by double click the column. Simply I'll come here, I'll copy the activity name, copy, and I'll paste the activity name here under the activity name. I will drag this activity ID, should be unique, shouldn't be repeated. Activity status, I'll put all of them not started. WPS code, I'll copy the same, no problem for now. Original duration, I can copy the original duration from here, copy, and you can put the start and the finish as is, don't change anything. Just the original duration. After I add here the original duration, I came from data, text to column. I will choose the first one and I'll put comma, next, text, finish. This is the way Primavera understands the numbers. So I just add it like this, and let's see what is the result. We'll save this one and go to Primavera. From File, Import, I'll import a spreadsheet. I'll go to look for my file. Next, I'll import the activities, import to existing schedule, this one, next, and finish. And here is the activities from Excel. Now it has been imported to the Primavera. Now the use of the WBS, what I will do from here, customize, I will check that there is hide if empty not checked. So if it is checked, hide if empty, I will not see anything in the WBS. So I remove the hide if empty, and I will start cut and paste. So I'll cut this one, I'll paste it in the earthwork. Now I have plain concrete, RC concrete, column neck, and waterproofing. I'll cut these three activities, I'll put it under foundation. I have the filling, I will cut this one, putting under earthwork. Slab on grade up to column and ground floor slab. This will be the superstructure, and the remaining activities is under the finishes work. Okay, now we have the activity list. We need to do the relationship. So simply, this is the activity. I will come here, I will check that this option is selected, the relationship. Simple like this. Just I'll come to the very end, and I will click and drag a relationship. This relationship is finished to start. After excavation finish, the plain concrete will start. Then when the plain concrete finish, the RC concrete will start. Then after RC concrete, we'll do the column next. Then after the column next, we'll do the backfilling. We'll do the waterproofing. Then after the waterproofing, we'll do the backfilling. Then after the backfilling, we'll do the slab on grade. After slab on grade, ground column. Then ground floor slab. Then after the ground floor slab, we'll do the masonry work, then plaster, then floor, or maybe walls first, all ceramics, then floors, then paint. Now I identified the relationship between all the activities. To activate this one, I need to run the schedule. Just I click on this schedule, I will run it, and here is my schedule with a start and finish date, telling me what is critical. Of course, this is all critical because I made all of them finish to start, but this is a very simple idea about how to create a time schedule without knowing anything in Primavera. I hope you'll find this lesson easy, and of course when we are going further to our schedule, I will tell you how to customize and how to create more professional schedule step by step. But this is according to our lessons. Just I give you an idea how to work with Primavera. So start to practice on it, then install the Primavera on your computer and start playing, adding more activities and more relationships here, and I will see you next lesson. Thank you very much.